Hi guys, today I want to talk about how to make money, and I want to talk about how to make money from secondhand stuff. So I received my Bale, and there it is. We call it a Bale because it's packed in a bale, and quite interesting because it came very packed and very wrapped. So number one tip, you make sure that your package comes very packed and fully sealed. And you can inspect for tampering just to see if it's been opened, because there are allegations that most people try to open these packages. So I'll tell you that I bought this package for 17,000 Kenya shillings, and basically that's like maybe $150, and the entire bill can really earn you double the amount. Don't forget to subscribe as we continue unpackaging and struggling to open this package. So here we are, still struggling to open the packaging, and I think this is just to protect whatever we bought, so that I could get the goods in good packaging, so that the goods are not damaged. So this bale, particularly this one, has maybe 22 or 24, 22 to 24 duvets or comforters that you can basically decide to either wash, launder, then sell, or you can just sell as they are. But it's, presentation matters. So if you decide to wash and launder, then the price goes up automatically. So there we are. Finally, we managed to open the package. Ooh, it's not a joke. So the package comes with that wrapping. You're seeing it's tied with some, I don't know what to call it, tapes. So if your package is not tied like this, then there's a problem. It means it has been tampered with. And for me particularly, I sourced it directly from somebody I know, and these are Canadian bales, grade A Canadian bales, and amazing, because for me it makes it so easy to get quality stuff. And rarely do I throw out anything, and any residue that remains I normally give it to a church or help some poor families. I just give donations. So here we are. The bale is here and we're so excited to open it. So you have to get a sharp knife and try to twist it out. It's a way of opening. You have to find a way of opening. It's very sealed. So you have to twist it out so that you're able to open the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sealings. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, please. Click the notification bell for more as we continue unpackaging this beautiful package of secondhand bales, or comforters as people would like to refer to them. So you see how we're opening. You twist the knife in a way that it cuts. We have a very sharp knife. Become experts of opening these bales. We used to struggle the first times, but guess what? We become experts. We know how to open. So there we are, opening one by one. And it's exciting as you unpackage. It's collapsing because the duvets are many and they're compressed by a machine. There are our comforters, and you're seeing a variety of colors. So if you want a particular color, you can't pick a particular color, but you can have a variety of colors. So there we are, and we'll just show you a few because I need to start cleaning. That is one. That is for a bed. That is a 4x6. It has a tiger print. Oh my God, it's so exciting to see this one for my son. I'll have to keep that one. That is a white duvet and high class grade A, and that is one for baseball, and it's for a boy. Beautiful duvet. It has no mark, guys. These duvets, the cameras, that is for patrol, for a child, baby boy, and I can advise that's a blue one on one side, and I think brown on the other side. For the camera ones, it's best. So there we are. I continue to show you the more duvets we discovered, and you guys will agree with me. These duvets are beautiful. Just check out. That's a 5x6 duvet. I'm hoping my camera is clear enough, but there it is, a 5x6. Actually, that's the best duvet that we got in the entire bale, and that one you can actually sell it for even 3,000 Kenya shillings once you launder it. That's another one. Look at the print. Oh my God, amazing. That's a pure white duvet. Beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, but remember, don't fear opening these bales. you will be able to get a lot out of them. In fact, you can make some good money out of this. So this is a tip I'm just giving you for you guys to remember that this is the most beautiful thing ever.